I just realized my camera wasn't recording. Anyway, we are here at Suds Brothers, not Suds Brothers, Suds Up Express Car Wash. And this is their, if you might remember a video, visited their State Street site with the manual bay and the converted tunnel. Well, we're here at their Florida Street site, and according to SF Car Wash channel, who was actually going to give me, help me get a tour of this place, so props to him for that. This site is actually supposed to be a lot better than their other one. So let's get our wash paid for and selected, and then we'll head through the tunnel and see what it's like. Alright, looks like we're good. As you just saw, I bought the highest wash for 20 bucks. I just left the Ryko Soft Gloss XS2 at the Chevrons up the street. So my car isn't terribly dirty, but we're going to do it anyway. Yeah, you can put him in for me, that'd be great.
Did you get your receipt, right?
I selected not to have it. Did I need it?
You got the top one, right? You paid the $20?
I paid for the $20 one, yes.
Did you get a coupon with that one?
Oh, I don't live in the area, so I'm not terribly concerned about that. Yeah, don't worry about it.
It's about neutrals, we have metals, you have a great day.
Thank you, man. Very nice attendant here, that's for sure. So the guy here just gave me a towel and a dashboard wipe and an air freshener, so that's pretty nice. So these are AutoVac dryers, which are actually pretty rare. That's pretty cool. Wow, that was surprisingly solid. I honestly didn't know what I was expecting here. This is one of the tiniest car washes I've ever found, just like their State Street site. Pretty sweet. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little ride through. Thank you again to SF Car Wash channel for all the information and on this site. I was really cool. And that's all. Thanks for watching.